Okay guys, so today, well first this is Livy Dog. We're making slime. I just ate a salad so I probably have some stuff in my teeth. We're making slime today. And it was all the things you need to make slime. First, you need a bowl and a spatula. Then, you need borax or contact solution. Then, you need 1 bottle of glue. You need a very curious dog. Just joking, that part's optional. You need baking soda. Then you need shaving cream. And this part's also optional if you want colorful slime. You get food colors. And this part's also optional. Glitter. This is another optional part. To make your slime hold better, you could put some Model Magic from Crayola in there if you want to. I do. But if you want to, you don't have to. Okay, so we're making slime. First, you need a cup, which I don't have, I'm sorry. So I'm going to set this right here for now. Sorry, guys. So I'm just going to set this right here. Okay? Sorry. Okay, so first, you need a cup of glue. So you basically just use a whole glue bottle. Yeah, my James! My cameraman is not in here at the minute. Okay, so you take this glue and you pour it in this little cup. Squeeze all the glue into the cup. Which I always save my glue bottles, because after this I'm going to show you a edible school supplies DIY with this glue bottle. Get all the glue we can into here. Tomorrow I'm at school on Tuesday. Nevada, if you're watching this. Also, guys, please subscribe to Nevada and Salem Morris. They're a pretty good channel. I would link them down below if I knew how to. Like put a link in one of their videos. But I don't know how to. I subscribe to them, so you can go look at my subscriptions, but I wouldn't do that. Oh, whoops, almost dropped the glue. Then you basically shove it all in the bowl. Scrape it all in the bowl. As so. Pour first, and if you scrape at the end. I'm gonna scrape, so you know that part. Put this on this for a minute, I'll be talking to you guys, so don't worry. Okay, so yeah, well, you basically shape it. James, get in here! The camera's rolling! James! Sorry, guys. The camera's rolling! James! Come here! Come here! Seriously, just come here first. Do you want to be a cameraman for the slime? For the slime I'm making?
No.
Please, just hold the camera for 2 minutes. Please, James. The dudes are waiting. I'm really sorry. The camera people, hold them. Hold the camera. Face it at the bowl. Okay, you get some shaving cream. Basically, hold the camera to wherever I'm thinking.
I guess you pour it in a cup?
Yeah.
And eat it?
No. Sorry. guys. Don't listen to him. Scrape it in the bowl. Like.
And watch Yogi Bear.
Just guys, don't listen to him. I'm serious. He's new with this whole YouTube thing. And I know I haven't made a video in a while. I'm really sorry.
I'm gonna record
But
actually.
I've been watching the video. Okay, go ahead.
Well, at least there's the statue. Hang on. It won't let me turn it. Jeez.
Now,
That's who she's talking to. That dog over there.
okay, guys. So then you need some baking soda.
Baking soda. And
Two
then
scoops,
there's the
guys.
dog.
2 scoops.
2 scoops of baking soda. And then you mix it all around.
Yeah, we're
There,
gonna
that
mix it.
heat.
Okay. We just mix this up. This is when you add the color. So you choose whatever color you want. I think I'm gonna go with red.
I think I'm gonna go for
Put that back. This is good. Put glitter. Glitter goes in like yeah. Okay, so you put in your red food coloring. James, just put the camera over here. And you stir. Which my red makes a pink. See the pink? I want it to be kind of like a lighter pink, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put some more red in there. Or a darker pink. I'm gonna put some more red in here. This is like my first time trying to video a slime. So if it doesn't work out too good, and my cameraman's not facing the camera at me. If it doesn't work out too good, leave it in the comments.
Subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, please subscribe. We don't have that many. We only have freaking 5 subscribers. Come on. We're trying to be good like everybody else.
That's a good dog post.
Trying to be good like everybody else, but nobody just wants to subscribe to us. Okay, now this part's optional. Same topic. The glitter.
Yeah, you need some.
Put some glitter in here.
Not a lot. Not a whole lot.
Yeah, I need a lot of glitter so it's like you're the cameraman, not the servers. Now, follow if you James stir it.
Well, this is what the slime looks like.
Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, so you can also put beads in it if you want to.
You make it bumpy?
Yeah. Like a chunky slime.
Chunky cheese pasta glitter ice.
Oh, stop, James, stop.
I'm just mixing it.
Oh, I'm the one making the slime here. I'm gonna put a lot of beads in it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That really chunky, like, texture.
Yeah, there it
Stir
is.
it a little bit. And then, time for your activator.
Yeah, there's dog again. She's
What?
scared.
Put very little contact solution, or borax, in at a time.
Got
If you
more
put
ash.
too much in at one time, it will, like, get all rubbery. And we really don't want that, do we?
You don't want them all the time. They're gonna feel like a bunch of rubber. My sister hates rubber.
I do hate rubber.
He hates rubber in the whole wide world.
That's why bubblegum. Just basically I'm making a bubblegum slime.
With a little bumpy texture.
Chunky bubblegum slime.
That's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. In case you didn't know yet.
James, you're not facing the camera at the same. Don't even think of this.
I'm gonna do actually some pink hairstyle.
We have a weird neighbor who always wears bathrobes. And he wears them to And he wears them to the grocery store with no pants on, just bathrobe. It's really weird. If he comes over here during the video, he might ask questions, so be prepared about that. He lives like right next door, and we really don't like it. It's really weird.
Names. Like
Randy.
2 blocks away.
No, he's like right next door, James, not a block. James, remember when you used to think a block was a house and face the camera at the freaking slime? Remember when you used to think a block was a house?
No. Yeah.
You need to put some more in. James, where's the freaking camera?
No. What if we recorded Yogi Bear?
That'd be really stupid. Also, let me know in the comments if you think I should sell this slime on the bus. I'll be making more slime videos, just to let you guys know. My hand is getting really tired of stirring. And no, James, we don't get to stir. Or Mr. Douche. That was in the last weird video.
Mr. Douche.
Remember that?
Nope.
You don't remember Mr. Douche?
That was my Halloween costume, Mr. Douche.
Yeah, but we said it on here once.
Whooping people's asses.
Shut up, James. You're not supposed to cuss. Mom says no cussing, and this is a
Okay.
kid-free channel. Don't even know where you hear such words. YouTube is a dangerous place, guys. Filled with cussing and violence.
Yeah, it's a lame part.
Also, I recommend watching Gillian Bauer slimes, because she's really good. And Sarah Beauty Corner. She doesn't do slimes, but she does really good DIYs.